Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell ebooks on Audible. We will guide you through the straightforward process of transforming your written work into a compelling audiobook. Understanding these steps allows you to easily expand your reach to millions of new listeners. This guide helps you navigate the journey from your manuscript to a successful audiobook. Preparing your audiobook is the foundational step. You can decide to narrate it yourself, bringing your unique voice to your story, or find a professional voice artist through ACX. Whichever path you choose, make sure the audio quality is pristine, without any background noise. Each chapter needs to be a separate file, maintaining consistency and clarity throughout the entire production. Once your audio is ready, you need to set up your ACX account. This platform is your gateway to Audible, iTunes, and Amazon's audiobook marketplace. Simply create your account and link any existing author profiles you have. You will then claim your ebook, indicating whether you have finished audio files or if you are looking for a narrator. This connects your written work to its audio counterpart. With your account established, you can now upload all your high-quality audio files. Double-check that all your chapters are in the correct order and properly named. After submitting your project, the ACX team will carefully review your audiobook for technical compliance and content quality. Once approved, your audiobook will begin appearing on Audible, iTunes, and Amazon within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.